Daddy. Doesn't he look so cute? Aww. Good morning. So I may or may not be wearing makeup from yesterday that I didn't wash off. But I just got back from dropping off the kids and there was 2 packages at my front door. And I think one of them is my pampas grass because it came from China. And there's another one, but I don't know. I don't think that one's for me. But I'm going to open them both. I was like, there's nothing in here. It is the pampas grass. Now, I think I have to dust it outside. I should probably Google this and find out. Okay, so I just went to the website where I bought them on Etsy. And it just says, please put in the sun for a day after you receive it. It will be very effective. But it says in the reviews that they fluff up real nice. So what I'm going to do is just take them out of the packaging and put them outside. So I'm just gonna take them apart to see what they look like. And I opened the other package to make sure it was mine and it wasn't my husband's. And it's my Shein package, which came in a weird box this time, but it's like way super duper late. I ordered this over a month and a half ago, so I'm kind of sad that it just now came in. There's one thing I had to return, which was the one thing I was most excited about, plus these earrings. So I got these earrings. I think they were under $3, and they're like thick pair of gold earrings. And I've been wanting to try this trend that apparently came out like in the spring or maybe even last year, but I'm just now jumping on them because I don't like big gold hoops. I don't know why. I do own some and I wear them periodically. But when these thicker ones came out, I thought maybe if I do smaller, thicker ones, I'd like them versus like big, thick ones. So anyways, tried these. You can't go wrong with $3. And they're really lightweight, which is nice because I didn't want them to be too heavy. Obviously, they're really cheap, so that's probably why they're so light. But I think those will be cute with like chunky knits. So I'm really glad I got these. And I like the gold. I think they come in silver too. Also, I'm not working out today, and I didn't work out yesterday because I saw my sister early, and so I didn't get to work out. And then hopefully I'll get to work out over the weekend. We shall see. Tonight, the plan is to go help my husband at his shop. If I've never mentioned it on here, I don't think, but he actually works a 9-to-5 job. Recently, in the past couple of years, got his own shop. So he wants his own shop, like cars, and it's mostly like customizing and like restoration for old classic vehicles is what his ideal goal is, to only do like restorations on old cars and or work on older classic cars because that's what he's into. But as starting out as a new business, he kind of does it all. He does mechanical, and he has buddies that own a shop, and they do a lot of the body and paint and things like that. So anyways, he owns an actual shop that he got a few years ago, which is one of the reasons why I started YouTube. He decided he would do this because it's his passion, even though I was against it because he works a lot now. And we were in, we just had Angelo, our youngest, and so I said, no, that's not a good idea. You already spend all your time, working your other job, and then the extra time you are gonna have is gonna go to being at the shop. So I disagreed with it, and it was kind of an argument, but in the long run he did it and he went for it, and that just showed how passionate he really was about it, and he's doing it because it's something that makes him happy. And then I decided, I want to do something that makes me happy, and fashion and styling and clothing, that makes me happy. And so I thought, well, I've watched YouTube for 10,000 years. Why don't I make a YouTube channel? So that's the reason why I did it. I was like, I want to do something that makes me happy. Just the way he, one day said, this is what I love to do, and I'm gonna do it. And so that inspired me to do the same. So here I am, making YouTube videos. But anyways, the plan is to go work, to clean up his shop tonight and get it prepared for tomorrow for this little event he's having. And then, yeah, that's it. So today I'm just gonna clean and do stuff around the house, and then prepare to get the kids and do that tonight. You even say good morning to the vlog. Bye. Look at how fluffy they're getting. I came out to check on them. I had to grab the camera. They're getting all fluffy. They're not as flat as they were. Okay, so I've attacked the front room, the kitchen, the dining room, and now disregard the bike because I know Aiden will want to get home and play. And this is going with us tonight, so I brought it out here. But now I gotta tackle the boys' room. So I'm gonna work on that. Hopefully get it done. It is 12:30. I hope to get it done by 1:30 and hang up all their clothes. Let's see what happens. Okay, I want to show y'all how I do my soap brows very quickly. Here's the soap that I use. It's just a clear soap. That's one of the things that they had said when I was looking at the YouTube videos, that it should be clear soap. And I follow somebody on Instagram also named Karina, and she uses a Mexican, or she did use a Mexican soap called Sota, I think is the name of it. And I just use, and she sprays Fix Plus, or you can use water. Fix Plus. You can do like a setting spray, or you can do water. I just alternate. So I have this Wet n Wild one that I'm almost out of, which I don't even know if there's any in there. There you go. There's some. So I just spray it to get some moisture there. And then I get a spoolie and just rub it in there until I see that it's like dry and not wet anymore. And then, use this mirror right here. And then I start to comb my hair up. All of my hair. And then you can spray the spoolie if you want, if you feel like you need more moisture, because I feel like I picked up a lot of product. I have another Wet n Wild one. This is the rose one. Okay, so I feel like I still have plenty of product on there, so I just sprayed it. I can see the product on the spoolie, so I'm just doing that. Okay, so then they look like this, like a huge bush. And then I trim them down a little bit, tame them down a little bit. Does that make sense? So there you go. And then see how it's a little sparse right there? I try to go in and redo that area a little bit to kind of make that hair stand up more versus lay down. So I'll go back and comb that area up. Now my eye is red, but try to block some. So there you go. So see, this is my normal eyebrow, and then here it is with the soap. Now they make an actual product for your eyebrows, like for these like soap eyebrows, so I'll add it down below if that's something you're interested in. Four. Okay, so where's 4? Yeah. Yeah. What is it? Hooray!
And a lot of Kit Kats.
You do like those?
Huh?
Well, you have to share with brother.
No, he don't like it.
He doesn't like Kit Kats?
He claimed that, but I'm not gonna say it because I'm gonna get all of these.
Okay,
Mine.
fine, that's fine. You can eat them, and then brother can come open 4, and I'll put something else in there for him. The same, just for him. 2 hats from Shein for the boys, because I've been wanting to get them some really cute, like, hats like these, like a little fedora and stuff, and put them in, like, really cute outfits, and they agreed to it. They said that they'd try it out. So I got these. They were $5. So I was like, I can't go wrong with $5 hats. Like, if they don't like it, wow, $5. But they came in completely crushed. Like, this is 110% better than what they look like. So this one I think is supposed to go in, I think, but it's definitely still very creased. The brim is pretty good. I fixed that. Same thing with this one. This was a complete mess, but this one's a lot more distorted than the other one. So I'm gonna put the steamer on it and see if I can fix it. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, so then I did this to help flatten the rim while it was still like moist from the heat. I did this. But what's for dinner tonight?
In and out.
In and out. Angelo, are you eating your fries? Okay, that's a yes. No school tomorrow. I didn't makeup on, but my eyebrows are still kind of fluffy from earlier today. And we didn't end up going to the shop to help Alfredo because he went without us. And I was waiting for him to get dinner. And so it was like 5 o'clock and he said, I'm gonna get off of work at 5. And then we can go get, then we can go clean up the shop. Well, then it was 5:37. And I was like, weren't you getting off at 5? And he was like, oh, I'm already here. I'm like, oh, I thought we were gonna help you. So I guess we're not helping clean up. So we got us in and out. And I finished doing the boys' room. So let me take you to see that. No! Oh, love her. See, I finished. I hung up all the clothes and then I finally made the bed now that it's all nice and clean. And they have 2 themes in the room since it's 2 of them, but they each picked a theme that kind of flowed well as far as colors go. So he has a Minecraft bed and Angelo has a Star Wars, and then I put this little shelf and have a mixture of Star Wars and Minecraft, and then Angelo's brought in some miscellaneous stuff. We got that little Paris thing, it lights up. And then I started to put Angelo's masks here because he has a lot of them. And so we've got some Star Wars themed ones and then some random ones in here. But they kind of match black and white and red, which is the theme in their room.
Can y'all tell like one of your brothers or cousins to like chill?
He's a teenager, clearly. He didn't even listen to me.
Yeah.
Nothing.